In today's video, I will teach you how to give your image a Hollywood movie effect using GIMP. Let's get started. To recreate the Hollywood movie effect, you can start by lowering the saturation. To do this, navigate to Layer, Colors, then Hue and Saturation. Then adjust the saturation slider to around -55 to reduce the color saturation of the image. Now we're going to adjust the curves. Go to Colors, then Curves. Then manipulate the curves until you achieve the desired effect. Try to create a slight S-curve to enhance the contrast to achieve a cinematic look. Now we're going to adjust the depth of field. To do this, duplicate the main layer by pressing Shift-Ctrl-D. Now select the duplicated layer, then go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then adjust the radius to about 5 pixels. Now, right-click on the duplicated layer and select Add Layer Mask. Then set the foreground to black and select the Paintbrush tool. Choose a large brush size with 0 hardness. With the layer mask selected, paint over the areas that you want to keep sharp, revealing the sharp layer below. Now we're going to add Vignette. To do this, create a new layer above all other layers and fill it with black. Then reduce the opacity of this layer to around 70%. Then select the eraser tool with a large soft brush. Then erase the center of the black layer, leaving the sides intact to create a vignette effect. Now we're going to add noise. Start by flattening your image by going to Image, then Flatten Image. Then apply noise by going to Filters, Noise, then Scatter RGB. Adjust the settings to your preference to add a subtle grainy texture to your image. If desired, you can adjust the aspect ratio by adding 2 black rectangles at the top and bottom of the image. You can do this by using the Rectangle Select tool to create the rectangles at the top and bottom of the image, then fill them with black using the Bucket Fill tool. And to further adjust the mood of the image, experiment with the Color Balance tool by going to Colors and Color Balance. Then try dragging the sliders towards cyan for shadows, midtones, and highlights to create a cooler and cinematic atmosphere. And there you have it. Your image now has that classic Hollywood movie effect. Experiment with different settings and adjustments to tailor the effect to your liking. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.